say goodbye to the hassle of cooking and embrace the ease of home cooking with the Aroma 4-cup digital rice cooker and food steamer. This versatile appliance allows you to prepare restaurant-quality rice, healthy steamed meals, and delicious one-pot dishes with just the touch of a button. Aroma takes the cook out of home cooking, giving you more time to focus on other important aspects of your life. From helping the kids with homework to enjoying leisure activities, you can rely on this digital rice cooker to deliver hot, hearty, and healthy meals that the entire family will love. Let's explore the convenience and features of this exceptional kitchen appliance. Here are the key features of Aroma Housewares Digital Cool Touch Rice Grain Cooker. Digital convenience for effortless cooking. The Aroma 4-cup digital rice cooker and food steamer offers convenient digital programming that simplifies your cooking process. Its compact capacity perfectly cooks 4 cups of uncooked rice, yielding 8 cups of cooked rice. Specialized functions for both white and brown rice ensure precise cooking results every time. Once the rice is cooked, the cooker automatically switches to keep warm mode, eliminating the need for monitoring or stirring. With the steam tray, you can simultaneously steam meats and vegetables while the rice cooks below. This versatile cooker is also suitable for preparing oatmeal, chili, jambalaya, soups, and more. Enjoy the ease and convenience of delicious meals without the hassle. Delay timer for flexible meal planning. The Aroma rice cooker is designed for people on the go. The programmable delay timer allows you to set the cooking time in advance. Simply place the rice in the cooker in the morning, set the timer, and return home to perfectly cooked rice ready to serve. Whether you're dealing with a busy schedule or unexpected delays, this feature ensures that you can enjoy a quality meal whenever you're ready. The cooker automatically switches to keep warm mode, keeping your meal fresh and warm until you're ready to eat. Easy cleanup for effortless maintenance. Cleaning up after cooking is never fun, but the Aroma rice cooker makes it easier for you. The inner cooking pot and all accessories are removable, allowing for easy cleanup. The non-stick coated surface ensures that food doesn't stick, simplifying the cleaning process. Spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your delicious meals. Multifunctional use for versatility. Experience the culinary possibilities with the Aroma rice cooker. From hearty jambalaya to steamed veggies and rice, or even a delectable cake, this appliance can do it all. Let your creativity shine as you explore a wide range of dishes that can be prepared with this versatile cooker. It's a convenient and efficient way to expand your cooking repertoire. Nutritious and delicious cooking. The Aroma rice cooker features a built-in steam function, allowing you to prepare nutrient-rich meals while the rice or other dishes cook below. This innovative feature saves you time without compromising on the quality and nutritional value of your meals. Enjoy the convenience of preparing healthy and delicious meals for yourself and your loved ones. Conclusion: upgrade your cooking experience with the Aroma 4-cup digital rice cooker and food steamer. This compact and versatile appliance offers digital convenience, flexible meal planning, and easy cleanup, all while delivering delicious and nutritious meals. From perfectly cooked rice to steamed veggies and a variety of one-pot dishes, this rice cooker will revolutionize your home cooking. Embrace the simplicity of cooking with the Aroma rice cooker and unlock a world of culinary possibilities.